Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your phone number on Klarna. First, open the Klarna app and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home screen. Now, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen. Next, select Contact Details. Here, you'll see your current phone number and email address. To update your number, tap Add a new phone number, then enter your new number. Once you've done that, save your changes, and that's it. You've successfully changed your phone number on Klarna. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.